the sunshine in my life with your
YouTube. So let me get with y'all. I'm finna get hit by this car, but finna get my bumper today. I'm going to meet at this gas station and meet up with the person I'm getting my bumper from. So I'll get with y'all when I get there. I'm into the gas station. I'm getting some money out off my car, man, so I can buy this bumper. Alright, so we were supposed to meet here at the gas station Raceway. We in Orlando right now. Just got my bumper from Orlando, while working. So yeah, I'll get with y'all when he get here. So he just got here. Yeah. And look what I got. Yes sir. Got me a bumper now. Got my bumper now. It got some damage right here. But, I can get all that out. But other than that, got it. Right in the truck, so I can take it home. Oh, okay, Hey, he said he got a GT500 bumper too, so I might get that off him too. What later though? You want me to run at Home Depot? Okay, get strapped? Or no? Yeah. So. Yep. I got my bumper. I'm finna get with y'all when I get home to put it on. So once I email. I'm back. Bro, here we go. Just woke up this morning. So I'm back home in Florida. Well, Jacksonville. Talking about Florida, like I wasn't already in Florida. But yeah, I'm back in Jacksonville. Got my bumpers. Got it from Orlando when I was working. So I'm finna transfer the stuff from on here to on that one. So let me get to doing that real quick. Let's start up. Now, done with that part. Now I'm finna move the car right here so I can put it on. Cold start. Boy, she's so loud, boy. Should have seen my neighbors over there. They be riding on on their little electric scooters. Not scooters, scooters. So, I'm finna just move this out the way. Probably just throw this to the side. But lights. It's a V. Good, how are y'all? That's good, that's good. Move this rope that was holding my license plate.
Hello, motherfucker. Boy, it's so hot out here. I'm finna get some water and come back. Hold on. Well, there was no cold water, so I got my body armor. I am not sponsored. Back to work.
All right, I'm back. Bumper done. You got little imperfections, but that's all right because it's basically a used bumper. But this side is like this because I don't got my bracket, my support. So to hang a bumper on it like this side, you see this right here. I don't think you can see that part right there. I don't got that on the other side here. When the bumper came off, all that came off. All that had got snatched off with it. So off with the old, on with the new. This two-tone look kind of good though. Look good though. I like it. So yeah, and got the bump on, and now I might get me a black GT500 bumper too, or GT350. Y'all just comment down below and tell me which one to get, which one y'all think would be better. But other than that, my job here is done. So in the next video, I don't know what I'm doing in the next video, so y'all stay tuned. So y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all better like. And I get back with y'all with some more videos. Peace.